Hi and welcome back. So last round I think I've forgotten to put in one final vlookup. So vlookup for the score, okay? Vlookup of this score, okay? Approximate. Let's try. Approximately, I want to look up from this table. Now bring in the grade. Which column is that? 1, 2, 3. That should be number 3. Okay, score of A. But before we autofill, let's lock our reference table up. Oh, sorry. Undo. Control Z. And then pull all the way down. Okay, remember it is the right bottom corner. Click on it when you see that thin cross and you get the score in. All comes in from this grade. Okay, so this is approximate. So based on this, 94A. D will be 9. D will be 9. Yeah, that's correct. So randomly just pick a few samples and check if all your data is correct. Sometimes you made an error, then by just doing this rough checking, coarse checking, you can probably find out what was wrong. Yeah. 21. So B is 61. Yep, it's within this range. So that's fine. Okay. If I were to change this to, if I want to explicitly check, I can say, all right, let's try 61. And definitely, you know that it changes. Okay. I think that's all for this time around. Yeah, thank you.